Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 13 January 2025. Political updates. Trudeau accuses India of orchestrating violence in Canada. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has alleged that the Indian government is behind a series of violent acts against dissidents on Canadian soil, including the assassination of separatist Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Trudeau claims that Canadian authorities possess evidence linking India to these incidents, leading to a diplomatic rift marked by mutual expulsions of diplomats. India has denied the allegations, attributing the strained relations to Trudeau's leadership. RSS praised by opposition figures. In a surprising turn, several opposition leaders have recently expressed admiration for the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, RSS, the ideological parent of the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. This development comes amid ongoing political confrontations and parliamentary sessions, indicating a potential shift in political dynamics. Sports updates. Jasprit Bumrah to Miss England T20 series. Mohammad Shami returns. India's fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah has been ruled out of the upcoming 5-match T20 series against England due to back spasms sustained during a recent test match against Australia. Veteran pacer Mohammad Shami makes his comeback to the squad after recovering from an ankle injury that sidelined him for over a year. The series is set to commence on 22nd January, followed by a 3-match ODI series leading up to the Champions Trophy next month. Offensive behavior by Australian fans condemned. Instances of racist behavior by a minority of Australian cricket fans during the Sydney Test against India have drawn criticism. Offensive T-shirts and chants perpetuating racial stereotypes were reported, undermining the inclusive spirit of the sport. Cricket Australia and stadium officials have reiterated their zero-tolerance policy towards racism and are encouraging spectators to report any inappropriate conduct. Sumit Nagal qualifies for Australian Open 2025 main draw. Indian tennis player Sumit Nagal, currently ranked 98th, has secured direct entry into the main draw of the Australian Open 2025. The tournament is scheduled to take place at Melbourne Park from January 6 to 26. This marks a significant achievement for Nagal and a positive development for Indian tennis. India to host World Boxing Cup Final 2025. The Boxing Federation of India has announced that the country will host the World Boxing Cup Final and the World Boxing Congress in November 2025 in New Delhi. This decision underscores India's growing prominence in the global boxing arena and its capability to organize major international sporting events. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.